Make a great choice today with
the 2023 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.